Sarah, say good morning. Tyler, say good morning.
Wagwan.
Way back into the group like he never left. Back into the groove like he never left. Sorry, wants to say wagwan too. Wagwan. Oh, hi guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. So, let me tell you guys what's been really going on with me. I turned on my computer a few days ago to finish up the footage that I have to edit for you guys. And when I tell you that the computer is not saying 1 nor 2, the computer is just rest on purple screen and I can't edit. So my camera is fine, but my computer is not. So now I have to go back into the habit of vlogging on my phone, which is not a bad thing for now because I find that I can edit from my phone and I can edit when I'm in the transportation heading to work or from work, which makes it a little bit more flexible for me to put out vlogs. So, husband, good morning.
Good morning.
This morning I am just trying to get back into the groove of vlogging. So I'm off of work today, but I'm heading to the gym. Your girl is heading to the gym and the kids are going to summer activity school. So we're dropping them off right now and then going to get a good 1 hour session at the gym and then head home. So hopefully you guys are happy that I'm getting to put out a recent vlog, because all the vlogs that you guys have been seeing is vlogs from vacation that we've been on weeks ago. So now we are in the current groove of things. And someone asked me, Mel, how is the preparation going in France for Olympics? We will be at the Olympics, guys. It will be in Paris, so it will be like about 9 hours drive by car and about 5 hours ride by train and about an hour and a half flight. So yes, we will be at the Olympics. I am so excited. I already get my Jamaica shirt, get my flag ready. I have my flag long time, I already know. So yes, we will be heading to the Olympics. The kids will be there, I will be there cheering on Team Jamaica. I'm very much sad and heartbroken that my girl Eileen will not be competing, but nonetheless I will still be showing up for Team Jamaica, because you already know we're Jamaica no matter what. So I'll be there loud and proud for a week in Paris area. Thank God my manager was sweet enough to give me the honor of a week off from work, though I'm not supposed to be getting vacation during summertime because of course I work in a hotel, so you know that's our high season. But I managed to get the week off, so thank God. The kids, however, and babe will be leaving, going to Paris like 4 days before me, and then I will be flying up to meet them because they're driving up. So I will be capturing as much of that trip and that moment as possible. So stick and stay for all the happenings for Olympics, and I'm excited to share every single bit with you when I'm in Paris and all that good stuff. Anyway, you guys, love you, gotta leave you, and I'll see you guys with the rest of the fam bam later. Say later. Alright, you guys, see you at the gym. And that's a wrap on gym for today. I'm tired. I get a good hour and 30 minutes in. Now I am heading home. But before I go home, I need to stop at the physiotherapy, because you guys may or may not know, I don't think you did, I did a little procedure on my knee. in June, and I was out of the gym for a month recovering my knee, and now I'm back in the gym, so I still have to do physiotherapy and then go back to see my surgeon in August. So I need to stop at the physiotherapy to get some appointments to start the physiotherapy, but it's close to home. I'm just gonna make a quick detour and then go home and rest up for the day. McDonald's for dinner today after picking up the kids from school. Look at them. It's Friday with the kiddos. They're in their plane somewhere. Look at him. Look at this one. He and his sister playing. Doing a little supermarket shopping, and I hear pash, 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 pash. Everything is falling down in the wine section. Look at that. Not good. Trouble. Funny enough, the lady just said there was no one there when it fell down. It just fell on its own. You guys, I am obsessed with these mediocre coconut water, so-called coconut water, but it's the closest thing I can get to home, so I buy them. I enjoy drinking them in the evening, Babe and I, but this is not the flavor that Babe like. Babe like this one, the pineapple. Sarah love the pineapple, to Tyler is not a fan, and Babe's favorite one is the lychee, so I always buy those for him. So I don't want much today, so I'm just scrolling through getting a few little knickknacks. We ate, and the kids and Babe are at car wash while I'm in the supermarket picking up a few little goodies. I thought we were gonna head home, shawty. Let's pick up a pack of cereal bar that I enjoy. This is my favorite band, Kellogg's. I love the Kellogg's. Alright, so let's see what else is on my list.
You're not taking your camera?
My computer is not working, so I can't vlog on the camera. So I'll move this one on. Won't be needed. Right, now my camera is okay, get your position. Tyler, Sarah will use the step and you stand without anything. You're big boy now. No, Sarah, go back round here. Round here. Sarah, carry your step round here. Honey, turn on the light, please, in the kitchen.
What's wrong with this?
No, you go on the step. You're not going up here anymore. You're a big girl. Okay, you guys, my daughter just asked, Mama, are we doing the supermarket haul? It's like she sensed that we restarted vlogging and she didn't forget a beat. So, here we go. It's time for the supermarket haul. That sounds dead though, boy. That sounds very deadish. That doesn't sound like the old vibe.
Nah.
Yeah, because usually they only hear me. So once I don't talk, nobody talk. So then you see the truth.
We're not listening to him. And you guys see, he haven't changed. He He hasn't changed. Alright, let's go. Sarah, bite him, Sarah, bite him.
No.
Alright, Sarah, no, don't bite him. Mama is just joking. Tyler, you have to go behind your sister. You're tall. Or beside her. Alright, let's go. Real quick. We won't be long. What's that?
Next quick.
Let's go.
Next.
What's that?
Cereal bar. Next.
Sarah, what's that? You don't know what that is? It's from Mama. What's that?
Coconut water.
Sarah, don't scream. Oh my God. Hey, yes, you're doing it too.
Tomato.
But you start crying, you're gonna leave.
Tomato.
You're gonna do it together. Tomato or tomato? Which one?
Tomatoes, because it's more than one.
No. Tomato.
Hey, what you doing, girl?
What's that? Water. Pineapple water. Pineapple water.
For
Me. No, me.
Yes, for you
You're
and
not
Papa.
mean. Tyler, you don't like them.
No, they never taste it.
Of course, you taste the coconut water and you don't like it.
C'est moi d'abord et
So
après
you want to
ça
taste the
va.
pineapple one?
Yes.
Okay.
No, they never.
More tomatoes. Which one is this? Let's see. Wait. Wait. What Sarah just said, Sarah, what is this?
Peach coconut water.
Peach coconut water. Is lychee or lychee?
Lychee.
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 Lychee coconut water.
Coconut.
Apple, not
Apple.
Pineapple.
Apple.
Pineapple. So this bag full of juice. Oh no. Don't do that, Mama.
Hey, sit here, nobody see you.
Alright, next bag. You guys, today is not a big supermarket haul. We just pick up a few things because
It's a wig.
Oh, you're walking down.
A green wig. After the gold and the burgundy wig, we have the green wig.
No.
What is that, Tyler? Green.
Broccoli. No, it's a
Good
tree.
job.
It's tree. No, tree. Broccoli.
Good job, Sarah. You're right.
Tree. Broccoli.
Sarah?
Tree. Broccoli.
What is that, Sarah?
Okay, Sarah,
Sausage.
stop.
Sausage. No, it's the burger. No, it's the
Sarah.
Is it-
Hold on, stop. Sarah, if you keep screaming like
I
that,
don't
you're
think
gonna-
Tyler can read.
Is it pig? A barbecue sausage.
Very good, Sarah. And what is this?
Fries.
Potato fries.
No, c'est pareil.
No, it can be broccoli fries.
Sarah, you're too low, Jesus. She has a Jamaican voice in her throat.
No. Chicken.
My kids don't like chicken if it have bone in it. I could cook stew chicken from now until tomorrow. They don't want it. But when we do barbecue, they'll eat it.
Salad.
Let it be salad in French. I've been craving cheese lately and no, I'm not pregnant and I never will be again.
Lenore is to smell good.
But
I mean,
Ty, leave your sister alone.
I'm beside. She's saying I
What
can't
is it?
see.
you really smell
But
bad.
you can see.
Finish, both of you.
Alright, what we have here, we have galette. I don't know what she's gonna do with that because when she buy that, then you always pour it inside the fridge for 2 months. And then we have some coffee. She asked me which coffee I want, and I tell her I took 2 months. So we have
Decaf.
decaf. So decaf is decaffeinated.
What does that even mean?
They
You don't
said
have
that-
no coffee.
no coffee. Yeah, no.
That means it's not coffee. Alright. You guys are also buying a new barbecue because our barbecue stopped working and I have friends coming over tomorrow for barbecue, so rock, paper, scissors, come on. We didn't forget. Come, Tyler. No, stay where you are. Where are you going? Stay here. Let Papa beat you. Come. Wait, they can't see. Side. We didn't forget, huh? Let's move this so we can really see who is gonna win. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tyler won. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Papa won. Ugh. Rock,
shoot.
Papa two. That's okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, sir.
I win?
Yes, you win.
Yay! Ah, but
Anyway,
you didn't
guys.
win that toy.
I know. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's vlog. I am going to go tackle these things, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Say bye, Tyler.
Bye.
Sarah, come say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Jump again.
Bye-bye. I did that. Mama.